Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be trying the SpongeBob inspired Wendy's meal, the Krabby Patty meal. I love SpongeBob coming up. I'm on theme. Got my SpongeBob shirt on. Got the SpongeBob meal. Just came in like a regular bag. Boo. Got the pineapple, vanilla, I guess you would say frosty, and a Diet Coke, because I want some caffeine, you know? Krabby Patty we have here. Looks okay. We got, ooh, look at Dave's single. So we got pickles, plenty of the sauce, pickles, tomato, onion, lettuce, cheese. Looks like, yes, 2 pieces of cheese. I love that. Let's go ahead and try it. Stripping. Look at all the sauce drippings I got. Clean this up. It's just sauce everywhere. I do like the sauce. I'd probably give it like, I guess, an 8 out of 10. Yeah, I'll probably give it like an 8 out of 10. I do like the burger. Just, I don't know if I'm biased, but I like Wendy's burgers. And I personally like the sauce that's on there. Even though, like I said, as a SpongeBob, like, true fan, the Krabby Patty was not known for its sauce. It was known because it was just a Krabby Patty. It wasn't known for its sauce. It was just a secret recipe. It was, from what I know, there was no sauce in there. It's just lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, you know, blah, 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 in that order, you know?
Thank you, Luna. Hear me.
The vanilla tastes good. It's like the regular vanilla, but it's too hard for me to get to the bottom.
That's dope. I forgot, but I got it. I got you. But it's
just click on my profile.
Go to it right now. What's the name to it?
Just click on my profile. You'll get, yeah, you'll get it.
No, like, what's the name to it? I'm really subscribed to you, but what's the name?
Well, you subscribe, so you should know, right? Like, what's, like, hold on, let me come back. Alright, so I think it's melted enough. Pretty melted. We're gonna try to get some of the pineapple, like, syrup from the bottom. Hold on. Oh, this looks good. Oh my god. Yes, actually. Oh, yes, it tastes good. With the vanilla. Yeah. That's pretty good. And to me, it's not too sweet. A good 8.5. Good 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, it was pretty good. If you like this video, press the thumbs up, like the video, share the video, comment, read you guys' comments, reply to you guys' comments, all that. And yeah, hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.